Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Sridevi, TGT Mathematics from Sadhurnagar School. Today, before getting into our topic, I would like to ask few questions. If you know the answers, well and good. If you don't know the answers, don't get panic. I am also going to give you the answers. Are you all ready children? Yes. Do you know the population of India? The answer is this. Can you read this number? 130 crores. Now, can you guess the population of Telangana? It's approximately 3 crores 52 lakhs. Do you know what is the distance between Sun and Earth? You might have come across this question in social studies. The distance between Sun and Earth is approximately 15 crore kilometers. What is the speed of light in vacuum? It's approximately 30 crore meter per second. It means light travel a distance of 30 crore meters in 1 second. Now, can you guess the mass of Earth? Mass means weight. The mass of Earth is this is mass of Earth. Can you read this number? These are very large numbers, isn't it? Do you find it easy to read, write and understand such large numbers? No, certainly not. So we need a simple way in which we can present such large numbers in a simpler manner. So can you guess which mathematical concept helps us? It's exponents. Exponents helps us in doing so. So today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Powers and Exponents. Today in this chapter you will be able to know what is exponential form, how to express large numbers in standard form or scientific form. Now what is this exponential form? Before that, we all know that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Let us consider one example. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 I am repeatedly adding to 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as 5 times 3, that is 5 into 3. So we use multiplication to shorten the representation of repeated addition. Now, can we express repeated multiplication of a number by itself in a simple way? Yes, we can represent. Let us consider same example using multiplication. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here, I am multiplying repeatedly with 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power of 5. So this is called exponential form of this repeated multiplication. So here which number I am multiplying? 3. So 3 we have to write first. And how many times I am multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5 we have to write on the top of right side. So here 3 is called base. 5 is called exponent. And we read this exponential form as 3 raised to the power of 5. Or we can also read it in short form like 3 to the power of 5. Okay, let us consider one more example for better understanding. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this can be written in exponential form as which number I am multiplying? 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this we have to read it as 2 to the power of 4 or 2 raised to the power of 4. Here what is our base? Base is 2, exponent is 4. Okay. Now let us take one variable. Let A be any positive number. Let A be any positive number. Now, A into A can be written in exponential form as A to the power of 2. Why? Because A I am multiplying with A 2 times. A into A can be written as A to the power of 3. A into A can be written as A to the power of 4. A into A, so on m times. Can be written in exponential form as A to the power, how many times we are multiplying here? M times. So A to the power of m. Here I want to tell you one important point, that A to the power of 2 can also read it as A squared. A to the power of 3 can also read it as A cubed. Remaining all numbers we have to read as usual, like A to the power of 4, A to the power of 5, A to the power of m, like that. In place of A, let us take any number. For example, 5 to the power of 2 is there. It can also read it as 5 squared. 5 to the power of 3 is there. It can also read it as 5 cubed. Now, till now we have discussed how to express repeated multiplication in exponential form. For example, if exponential form is there, can we express in repeated multiplication? Yes, we can express. So, let us see one example. There is a question like 5 to the power of 3 or 3 to the power of 5. Which is greater? So, to find which is greater, we have to find, like 5 to the power of 3 means 5 we are multiplying with 5. How many times? 3 times. Our power is 3. So, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Now, 3 to the power of 5 means 3 I should multiply with 3 how many times? 5 times. So, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 3s are 243. Now, tell me which one is greater? 3 to the power of 5 is greater than 5 to the power of 3. So, like this, we can express repeated multiplication in exponential form and vice versa. I hope you understood what is exponential form.